your name. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you must stay in touch, Mr. Sturgeon. He'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you, I will revoke your bond. So just stay in touch with him and he'll tell you. For now, we'll just have you sign a reset. You'll sign conditions, then you're out of here. Okay? Take care, guys. You too. Take.
All right, Judge, bottom of the page, top of page 2. Badalamante,
Okay.
come on up.
Hey, morning. So where is this theft from, please?
It's probably a vape city retail vape store.
Got it. Okay. Let me see if this is crap. The wrong one. Yeah, left. No, man, you did one. Do all of them. Why don't you just did it? You. Come on. Don't be lazy. Okay, you need to do more than that. All right. Sir, as a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to go back to this location. If I find that you do, if you pick up a new case, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand, sir? Okay, do you mind filing those conditions, please? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
I do, yeah.
Are you working at this time?
Yes.
Okay. So we will give you time. I'm going to have you go to Victoria Center Reset. I'm going to have you take your seat in jury box while we get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. You are not to go back to this location. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
All right, Judge, top of 20. Gardens on Falls.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, as a condition of any prior criminal history,
Checking out, no,
license,
we're getting out.
please. Ma'am, as a condition of your bond, or you're charged with driving while intoxicated, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're using, I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand, ma'am?
License is illegal.
Okay, you're not allowed to drive unless you have a valid license. You must also maintain liability insurance in your name. If you don't have liability insurance, likewise, you do not drive. I'm going to have you, or do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
Time to retain.
Sure, we'll give you time. Just don't wait too long. Timing is of an issue in this types of case. I'll have you sign a reset. You'll get with Veronica for your bond conditions. Then after that, you'll be free to go, ma'am. Please.
All right, Judge, next is bottom of 21, Martinez, come on up.
Ma'am, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested because you had one dismissed not too long ago. I'm now ordering you not to drive any vehicle that's not equipped with an ignition interlock. If you're caught driving a vehicle that doesn't have an interlock, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. I'm sending notice to DPS in Austin so that every police officer in this state knows if you're caught driving a vehicle, that vehicle doesn't have an interlock, they're going to take you to jail. Do you understand? I don't care what you have to do. I don't care where you have to go. You cannot justify driving a car without an interlock for any reason. You have the ability to hire a lawyer.
No,
What do you do for a living?
I'm a open hygienist.
Okay, and how much money do you make a month, man?
About 3,000.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
How many children do you have?
I have one child.
Okay. Deputy Chagone will give you an application. I need to know everything about you, whether you have any other sources of income, how much money you have in the bank, what kind of car you drive, how many cars, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, IRAs. I'll take a look to see whether you qualify.
Okay.
You're going to sign a reset. We'll get you with your conditions. Do not drive without an interlock. Do you understand? Okay.
All right, Judge, top of 31, Vance.
It looks like I'm going to do probable cause on this one. He's got some significant history. Mr. Vance, you're charged with terroristic threat of a family or household member. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On June 13th, 2024, officer was dispatched to an address. Upon arrival, he spoke with complainant, who advised the defendant, her husband, had called her on the phone and said he was on his way home and told her, "I'm gonna kill you, bitch." The complainant reported that she was in fear of her life and advised that she wanted to protect her.
So he has a prior BPO, assault, mischief, interference. Do any of these relate to the same complaining witness?
The same complainant on the BPO, the mischief, the AFM, and the
All of them.
same complainant.
I'm placing on you a magistrate's order for emergency protection. This is a court order that identifies Ms. Vance as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. If you do, then you're in violation of this order. The state can and will file a violation of a protective order against you. That is the capital murder of misdemeanors. Do you understand, Mr. Vance?
Yes.
When I mean no contact, I mean no contact at all. Use of third parties, social media, text messaging, phone calls, anything. You will also get a monitor on your ankle so I know where you are, and you're not to go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. Do you understand?
Yes.
We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I will have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. You'll get with Veronica for your bond conditions, and after that, you'll be free to go. Okay, shoot, sure. I'm not going to talk to you about the case. You have the right to remain silent. Exercise that right, because whatever you say, they're going to, use it against you to prove your guilt. So it's probably not a good idea to talk about the case. You need to hire a lawyer, and the lawyer can, advise you on how to go forward. Please.
Mr. James. Go and sign them right there. Okay. That both is new future.
Thank you so much.
All right, page 33, Judge Williams,
Okay.
come on up.
Go ahead and sign for the reset. Have a see the nature of lots of nature.
Oh, yeah.
Did you say top of 33 or
Bottom?
bottom? Mr. Williams, do you have a lawyer today? What do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? What do you do for a living? You're a welder. How much money do you make a month? Welders make a lot of money.
Imaginary.
Sorry?
That's imaginary.
What's
I make
imaginary?
$2,500.
Okay, and that doesn't sound imaginary to me.
Is this a court of record?
In a manner of speaking, when we're on the record, it's a court of
I would
record.
like to, for the record, state that I reserve all my rights for UCC 1-308,
Okay,
and I don't waive that never.
okay, great. But you need a lawyer to represent you. You're charged with driving while your license is suspended.
I object, Your Honor. I was exercising my amendment rights to travel.
Okay, well, you still need a license to travel, to convey, to drive,
License
to,
transfers my rights to privileges. I'm not a 14th Amendment citizen. I'm American
well,
citizen.
how does that apply if you try to reserve all your rights and now you're not a 14th Amendment citizen?
Exactly.
Those are two contrary to each other.
So,
Sure they are.
before the ratification, my rights is reserved before they were usurped to be privileges and for the state, which is a fictitious entity, and I being a common man of natural law, natural law, does not have jurisdiction to choose to make me pay any fines or criminal or anything like that. When I am exercising my right as a human, as a man, common law.
Okay. You,
So I brought my affidavit of fact to be filed to dismiss this case and have all the stenography conveyed to me. And all the rights that was deprived for 18 USC 241 and 242. Return to the defendant, Andrew Morgan.
so,
So that Andrew Morgan Williams can go about his private life and his, also his right to liberty, freedom, and justice.
great. So, Mr. Williams, does Mr. Williams have a license to drive?
I object, a license does not make me applicable to travel.
Okay, you can object. And it will be duly noted, but as a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to drive if you don't have a valid license and insurance in your name. I'm well within my right to place those restrictions on you. So if
I
you,
object.
you can,
Okay.
but I'm still
Does
placing
your-
them on you.
Does your delegation come from Congress?
Okay,
Does your delegation of authority come from Congress?
okay. I'm placing on you now these conditions. Please do not drive. If I find that you do, Mr. Williams, I will revoke your bond and I'm going to put you in jail. I understand that would object to that, but I'm still within my right to do that. So if you want to drive, you need a license, you need insurance, and then I will happily take this restriction off.
The defendant, Andrew Morgan Williams, did in fact have the document that you required him to have, and whatever reason,
Oh, hold on.
his
Does,
Sixth Amendment-
does Mr. Williams have a license to drive? Hey, you are Mr. Williams, correct?
Authorized representative.
So are you not Mr. Williams then?
I am Andrew Morgan Williams, not
Okay.
a fictitious
So-
entity. I am the living, breathing man.
Great.
On this docket?
Hold on. Look, I've got a bunch of work to do. I have a ton of people that I still need to talk to. So I'm happy to, if you want to, I'll talk to you. Let me smooth everything out with everybody else, and then I'm happy to talk to you more. But I'm going to place this restriction on you regardless. It's what I do on every person when they're charged with a suspended license case. We just ask, order them, please do not drive unless you have a license. They've checked you in the DPS system. The system shows that your license is not eligible, so you're not allowed to drive. You're not allowed to convey. You're not allowed to travel by means of driving a car. If you want to take the Dodge Patas anywhere, you can do that. You can be a passenger in a car, but don't drive a car. If you do, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail.
My consumer goods, which I locomote and move, is not what you are definition of.
You can try to justify however you want. It really, you can, and but at the end of the day, if I find that you drive, it's just really not going to go well. That's it. I have a lot of people that try to use the same verbiage, the same justification, but at the end of the day, if you're in a car, you're driving, whether it's for commercial, whether it's for residential, whether it's for personal, whether it's for private, whether it's for going to see Bambi or whatever it may be, you're still under the jurisdiction of the laws of the state, of the county, and I'm asking you, please don't drive. You need a lawyer to represent you, unless you want to choose to represent yourself, which you can always do. So if you want to do that, I have to have what's called a Feretta hearing. So if you want to give me a little bit of time, let me talk to other people. I've got a lot of bond violations. Sorry?
I need to get to work.
Okay, just do not drive.
Can I have the?
Do you understand?
Stenographic records conveyed to me, please, pertaining to this case?
I don't have any stenographic records pertaining to this case.
Is it there? Is it not a court of record then? It's operating under the call of law.
Do you mind filing those conditions, please?
Yeah, there's,
This is an affidavit that you're going to promise me today that you're not going to drive, Mr. Williams. If you do, like I said, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. We will give you time to either hire a lawyer. If you'd like to, you can also represent yourself. But like I said, we have to have a hearing to see whether you should. Just because you can doesn't mean you should, as with everything in life. So let me have you sign this promise. I'm going to have you take a seat and, well, we don't have any more room. Where do you want to? I'm going to have bond conditions created for you to sign. Once you sign at that point, you'll be free to go. Okay?
right.
Please.
That's it for now.
So no driving without valid license and insurance. Hey, Martin, just the last name of your client.
Yes, sir. Green.
Is, okay,
So Judge, we were here a couple weeks ago, it came back with a presumptive positive for THC. You said to reset it to today so she could go and retest. She's in the jury box, Your Honor, so just trying to see if we can send her over for that test.
yeah, for sure. Okay,
And
for it.
if it comes back negative, does she have to come back here?
no,
Okay, perfect.
No.
Thank you.
okay,
May I?
fine,
More out of the box.
of course.
You'll have to file, it's your an attorney to file. Some of this for information that you provide is not administered.
Counsel, you ready?
I
Yeah, yeah.
just want that.
Hey, how are you?
I'm here, Mr. Frazier.
It seems that like every time we try to,
So we have the same issue. There's still outside of the 200 foot range. Same thing as last time.
say it again?
It's the same issue as the last hearing, in which there's no sort of evidence presented that he was actually within 200 feet of the pollution zone.
Hey, Veronica, was he within the 200 feet or no? Raise your,
Judge, I'm just looking off the.
Why are
email
they
that-
sending BVRs if he's not within? I don't understand.
I think it's almost just the device days, because it's just does, but it's not within.
It's not supposed to if you're not in,
I
you
think
know, if
with
you're
us
compliant.
amending the exclusion zone to 200 feet, I'm not sure that it goes off when it's supposed to every time, but
Or, I mean, let's see. They
it's the same
can,
location as it was at the last hearing.
So he enters the zone on 11:43 and then exits it 11:45, so it was only there, like within the zone for 2 minutes.
how far in?
If he's sending himself to the court.
Judge, just going off the email that pretrial provided that said that he was at the same location where he was alleged to have been.
I understand the location, but we tried to accommodate you guys. We asked you, what is the appropriate feet, you know?
Judge, I say that to say that location is not within 200 feet. That's the same thing we had last time. We've been here. This is
So
up there.
you're telling me it's outside of the 200 feet?
Yes, sir.
She's saying that he went in the exclusion zone.
I understand that. My point is that they are just are assuming that the device dings every time it's within 200 feet. It does not. We did this last time.
To check it out, look at the map which she has. It should show exactly where he goes. If he
Right,
goes
Mr.
within.
Car Wash is 250 feet from the rest from the place.
I don't understand.
Zero.
Mr. Haynes?
Counsel, what was that? I'm confused.
Yes.
So.
I did that. I think.
Miss, can I give you a call this number? Or I guess when you're done, let me know. Ready?
Yes.
It's 2544065. Has this person turned himself in?
Jeff, is it for worse than those?
Yeah.
What were they supposed to have himself on? That can't, were you not just like.
Or did he just do time or what was he not? I know that there's a guardian interlock. Or was it maybe Cruz in the queue? One of those dudes was supposed to turn himself in to do like a week or something like that. I don't want to remove the interlock until they've completely, have both of them satisfied their sentence? Yeah, but he also had he had an MRP, he also had a UBI, and then he had a, who was the one, remember? He was supposed to turn himself in, right? Do you happen to remember when? Is he on probation?
Last Monday. Yes.
There's no transit.
Yes.
Council for reset.
David? You want to watch your movie? The mic? Okay, hand it.
You can buy your minor. Almost a James.
Depending on how complicated what you. It's actually.
No, the courtyard language classes and later.
No, I know, it's like,
Oh, right now, I think we should.
Oh, okay, sure, not. Okay, yo.
Mr. Khan,
You can go sit down.
James, what are you guys thinking?
Well, I mean, so it's thinking about the time, so I'm just gonna take it, I just moved the
Okay.
old issue, so.
Got it.
Here.
I'll let you know.
Just do the paperwork.
Hopefully we should, if he's on time, we'll do it as soon as she gets here. I'll let you know. Thanks.
All right, visual notice.
Okay, Alice is ready. I'll start at the beginning, okay? No.
Anthony Badalamenti.
You want to check with her to see if she has a map?
I will,
I don't know.
I'm just trying to make it in the best way, and stuff like, or it's just that.
I just want to make sure he's not going within because they're saying he's within.
They're just saying.
That's what it says. He's
I know,
within the
Judge,
200
it's just-
feet.
We did this last time and it's not within, and they agreed last time, we're gonna do this.
You're gonna go over this, and then we set to hire the attorney, and then go over the paperwork, front back. You'll have to search for. I can't find anything about it right now.
Just, they can't give you advice. Just sign the conditions and go, please. They cannot give you advice.
Supposed to come back. We're good for sure. April 27th, today's time.
Judge, did you want to go over THA?
Can we, you and I first, that way we don't have to.
I'm not sure. Just be here at April 27th.
Okay, thank you. That's, I'm good to go.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.
And so, Mr. Williams, all conditions are in queue.
Um. Balbuena, come up. Morning, sir. Do you have a lawyer today?
What's that?
Do you have a lawyer today?
That's right.
Tell me what you're doing about that.
So last time I was here last month, you told me to get a report, and I was trying to, do all, like, you made me sign, like, swears not to lie. So having to go, without.
I just ask you to follow the law. Right. Okay.
So I can't. I had Richard, the ones that I.
How do you support yourself now then?
Stop me, get a little bit, I got, trying to see, how to get this kind of going, obviously what I can. do.
Okay, let's go. Can you give me an application, please? I need to know everything about you, how much money you have in the bank, what kind of cars you have, any sources of income, and then I'll take a look to see whether they qualify. You will be expected to work. You need to be the best person you can be. You don't get to play Xbox all day while everybody else is footing the bill. So we're bringing you back in 2 weeks and I want to see what you have done to get a job. Do you understand? All right, come on. You ready?
Yes,
Come on up, counsel.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Andres Salazar, that was the email that was sent to me on Friday about the alleged BBR for a scram tamper.
Okay,
And he is here. I chatted with CLO, or excuse me, bond supervision. I asked because he also has an interlock and GPS. I also proved he was on his way to work. I don't have any report that an interlock detected alcohol. I'm trying to figure
well,
out.
the problem is a lot of times what people do is they will interfere with the device in such a way that it loses detection for a certain amount of time, whether it be 10 hours, 12 hours, you know, so.
But he did have to blow into his interlock to start his vehicle.
And I informed counsel that I was still waiting on the report.
Okay, so let's just give it time. I want to see the report and we'll go from there. Okay,
Right.
I'm curious to see, is there a time that it loses detection with the skin, you know?
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Judge, on page 3, both.
No, exactly.
Mr. Bell, come up. No. Good morning, sir. Okay. Boss is an extremely disrespectful term. If you call me boss again, I'm going to hold you in contempt. Do you understand me? Okay. We'll give you another date and then we'll see you in a month. Please.
Bottom of three, Judge? Oh, there's somebody that's trying to. I don't see that he's violated. But people started to say to the. And then it's on. It's still not in the. Okay. They sign on me just fine. That just means it's.
Bradley, come up, sir. Good morning, sir. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me, how are you supporting yourself now? Okay, so I'll give you an application, but you will be expected to work. And I'm bringing you back in 2 weeks. I want to see what you have done to get a job. I want to see 20, 30 applications for different jobs. Do you understand? All right, come on.
All right, go ahead and sign. Judge, bottom of 22.
So you see Bradley giving up. Okay. Newsom. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Do you have a lawyer today?
No, Your Honor.
Tell me what you're doing about that.
I did call also legally and they told me to put the application.
Are you working at this time?
No, I take care of my handicap.
Okay, and how do you support yourself?
That was at the rolling board. I help her parents.
Okay.
So we let her parents get on the board.
Yes. Deputy Etchigon is going to give you an application. I need to know everything about you, how much money you have at the bank, how much money you have coming in, and I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. If you put zeros, I'm going to send it right back to you. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So I need you to fill it out fully and completely, and you will end up swearing to it.
Yes,
All
Your
right? Okay, please.
All right, Judge, bottom of 25.
Richardson, come up. Do you have a lawyer, Mr. Richardson? Tell me what you're doing about that.
I got one, I just haven't paid it.
When's that going to happen?
I just need like 2 months.
Your case is too old. I'm sorry, dude. So I need you to fill out an application for me and then we'll see whether you qualify. If you're not working at this time, you will be expected to work and I'm bringing you back in 2 weeks to see what you have done to get a job. You understand?
I work,
What do you do for a living?
medical. lead man at a manufacturing steel plant.
How much money are you making a month?
Uh,
Don't do that. You know exactly how
No,
much
we-
money you make. Don't play games.
not like a month, probably like $1.
Okay, you're not going to qualify, and your case is now 140 days old. I'm now giving you a week to have your lawyer here. Your case is old, and the next setting is jury trial. Do you understand? Come on.
Top of 26.
Rivera, morning, Mr. Rivera. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that. How many did you talk to? I'm sorry? What are you doing how do you support yourself? Okay, and how much money do you make a month? 10,000? $7,000 a month. You're not going to qualify for a lawyer. 99% of lawyers will put you on a payment plan. If you ask for a couple $100, they will represent you. You need to hire a lawyer. We're going to give you another 30 days. When you come back, have a lawyer. You're not going to qualify. Do you understand? All right.
All right, Judge, bottom of 27.
Give me a second. I have to take a little bit of notes on this. Okay, you ready? Veronica, any headway on Mr.?
So the GPS device shows that he's at a business outside of the neighborhood.
So it's not within the 200 feet.
No.
Why do this is the second time they've done that.
Whenever the device goes off, when it's within that 200 feet of DVR, has to be.
Williams?
What do you mean when the device goes off?
So he is within the 200 feet of the exclusion zone, but he's not in the neighborhood, he's not by the house. But because it's.
How is he within the 200 feet?
Car wash.
There's a business right outside of the neighborhood.
Can you show it to me so I can see it? Does he just hang out at the car wash or is his house there? What?
Car wash every Friday.
Hmm?
It's car wash every Friday.
Mhm.
You should just go to the car wash.
I worked as a bartender at Chili's a long time ago. And I remember these three guys would come in every day, right? And one of these, he eventually got a new Mustang and it was really sweet. And dude must have washed his Mustang every day. He like literally, I mean, it was the proudest thing of this. So he lived at this car wash.
Yeah.
So I understand that you get your car. I mean, that's perfectly, there's nothing wrong with that, but as long as it's not within the zone,
Are you
then
gonna get your car washed today?
no, well, I need to. With all the pollen this past week, it was ridiculous. It was like all yellow outside.
Ironically, I do need
I just wanted on yesterday.
Is it happening every Friday that he washes his car here?
It's all with the BVR's always called Wednesday, the Valley's still on Friday. I kind of we could also admonish them to not go.
No, I don't want to, I mean, as long as he's just not, my only concern is I just don't want him to go near the place. I don't care if he's going to get his car washed.
So basically, I'm bringing the same address in the neighborhood, and then that's the point, there's,
So, come here. The triangle is what?
Hey,
Where's the car wash?
I don't see.
Is this the car? Is this it?
I don't see a car wash on,
Yeah.
I just needed a shopping space, and it's like,
So can we mark them to not file a BVR if he goes to this particular location? That way they stop filing, because my only concern is that he's going near. If he's going to this place here and that's it, then I don't want to keep dragging him over here for that. So we'll tell him not to file the BVR if this is where he's going. But if he's going anywhere, like really, then I have a problem. Okay, all right, we'll just continue supervision. If you could please mark it. Okay, okay. Thanks.
Thank you. You have a good day.
You too.
I like your Spider-Man shirt.
Yeah, another.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll
Victoria, anyone else? Page 28.
Yes, Judge Bottom, that's 28.
Smith, come up. Hey, Ms. Childs. Come on.
Yes,
Yes.
I am here on this Alicia Hightower.
Okay.
Over at Court 8.
Okay, I get it. What's up? In jail, obviously, right? Okay.
Hold on one second. I'm on a Zoom court right now.
Okay, tell me what's the word.
So apparently her bond was revoked and raised in this court on March 20th, but she was also taken into custody on the felony March 20th. And I think she alerted someone in court file about what was going on.
I don't remember.
It might have just been a procedural thing in the 228, but she didn't.
Well, should we
capacity.
not have done that?
Huh?
Should we have not revoked it?
I don't think so. I think there was a bond violation, report given in the 228 on March 16th. And then she was trying to do a walkthrough to come to court on the 20th. They took her into custody.
I think that she didn't appear on the 20th. That's
Yeah, 'cause she
why.
was taken to jail on the 20th.
Oh, well, I guess maybe we didn't know that.
Right,
So she was in jail at that time.
that's right.
Okay. That's right. That's, okay, so I'll reinstate it. It's not a big deal. I mean, if we didn't know it, then we didn't know it, then I'll reinstate it for you.
That's it.
Yeah, for sure. Yes, ma'am. So we need to put conditions though. I mean, she's on bond for an aggravated assault. She's now picked up, this is her third BPO. So, I mean, Veronica, we're talking about Hightower. So GPS prior to release.
I hear what you said, Judge, I'm sorry.
I was gonna put a GPS prior to release. You know, actually, we'll just mirror the felony conditions. Whatever they are, we'll mirror it. I mean, I don't know if they will, but certainly GPS prior to release, no contact with plaintiff witness, no weapons, no going within 200 feet.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you, Judge.
for sure. She's here. You ready?
Yes, so just, yes, okay.
Have you already spoken to your client and admonished her about the condition? About the plea paperwork? Yeah, okay. Miss Woe, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, come up, Miss Chen.
陈小姐，
Shh.
Quiet down.
Ms. Chen, you were charged with theft.
陈小姐，你被指控是偷窃。
I'm gonna turn it up. Okay, can you say something real quick, please?
陈小姐，你听得到我讲吗？
听得到，意思。
I just asked Miss Chen whether she hear me. He said yes.
Okay.
法
You were
官说
facing-
你指控偷窃，
You were facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
这个指控呢，处罚坐牢最高是6个月，罚款$2000。
You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail, credit for 4.
那你现在达成协议，这是坐牢时间3天，但是抵扣4天。OK，
By pleading guilty, this case will go on your record.
你现在认罪的话，那么你就有记录。
You give up many rights entering into this agreement.
你放弃很多你拥有的权利来接受这份协议，
You give up the right to a trial.
放弃由开庭审判，
The right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf.
放弃你要求证人出席作证的权利。
If you are not a citizen, there are immigration consequences.
如果你不是美国公民的话，你有那个移民的后果。
You can be deported,
你可以被递解出境，
excluded from the country,
拒绝再进入美国，
or denied naturalization.
或者呢拒绝你规划美国公民。
You give up the right to appeal.
放弃上诉的权利，
You can never change this in the future.
你不能够以后就不能够改变了，
Do you understand?
你明白吗？
Is this what you want to do?
你现在就要接受这个认罪协议，对不对？
How do you plead to this case? Guilty or not guilty?
对这个指控认罪还是不认罪？
I think she said guilty, right?
Yeah, I don't think she did, but yes, she did, Judge.
Okay. I will find you guilty.
我就判你有罪。
I will sentence you to this agreement.
现在我就是同意这份协议。
The 2 places were Lululemon and which one?
The previous one was. It was Macy's, Judge.
Ms. Chen, they know who you are.
他们知道你是谁，
Every time you go to these stores, they see you on camera.
你每次到这些店呢，他们就从镜头
They
上
have
看到你，
pictures of you.
他们已经有你的照片。
As soon as you walk in, every eye will be on you.
你每一次进到这个店的话，他们都会认得出是你。
From now on, you are facing a minimum of 30 days in jail.
现在呢，你要判最少坐牢是30天。
There are no more slaps on the wrist.
因为这个呢，不能够再这个风险，
Do you understand?
你明白了吗？
You are facing a lot of jail time next time.
下一次罪犯的话，那你坐牢时间就更长。
Okay, good luck.
She has the GPS.
Well, everything will get off today.
Okay,
Yep.
she wanted to use the her.
Oh, okay. Ms. Woe, come on, hold up, promise.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Interpreter, to let her know to report for our office with the device charger.
She needs to report to the office with the device charger.
他说你要到一个办公室，把你那个可能你那个脚踝跟踪器要处理掉。
Okay. And we can get the device removed today.
And what?
We'll get the device removed today.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Woe.
May the interpreter excuse?
Yes, ma'am, thank you,
Thank you, Your Honor. You good day.
thank you.
Thank you.
Sit over here.
She's gonna, take this off and.
Okay, Mr. Smith, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Come on up.
And your bond supervision officer also gave me the information that's available.
And we can clear up. So the scram device was inactive from 4:44 a.m. to 5:52 p.m., so about a 13-hour window. We do have flows from the ignition interlock that were all passed from 4:31 a.m., 4:43, then 12:53 in the afternoon, 3:52, and then 4:07 p.m.
But there's a gap in there where conceivably can he consume? So you said there are blows, hold on a second. So why does the device go dead?
It didn't go dead, it was a tamper, and so, there's something, in between the device and the skin to where.
Sure. Have you looked at the device to see if it's him blowing?
I have not, but the officer looked at the report and,
And they tell that it's him that's blowing?
I can double confirm.
So tell me the hour that it goes?
It is, when the blows were,
No. Well, we're gonna get there, but the dead time.
4:44 a.m. to 5:52 p.m.
And what was the date of the 4:44?
That was February 5th.
2:20. Okay, so, and then the blows that we have from that 4:40 a.m. on, what are the blows that you have?
4:43 a.m. And then 12:53 p.m.
Sorry, Mr. Smith, that's too long. It's too long. Come up. You.
And before you chat with my client, I have his work schedule. I presented this to the state.
Come up.
He asked me what is going on so that it doesn't happen in the future.
And you don't put something in between.
Well, I don't know that that's what my client did. He was at work here on that.
I don't know that, but all I know is that the device lost touch with his skin for nearly an entire, day? You know? So that doesn't happen just on happenstance or just because
These are not infallible, Judge.
I understand, but here we lost detection with the skin for a significant period of time. And the reason that I have that, in addition to just that, is to ensure there's no drinking going on. We're now on a third DWI. I want to make sure that he's not using. And the device lost touch with the skin for an entire day. You're going in. Unacceptable.
But he also blew multiple times during that day with no alcohol.
Right, but there's still a 12-hour window where he didn't blow. So he could conceivably consume and we'd never know.
That's not true. That's not what she said, Your Honor. He did blow during that time.
So go ahead, take him in, and then if you can give me a breakdown, because show me every single blow that happened, but regardless, the thing lost contact with the skin for an entire day.
So what is what is his bond being set at, Your Honor?
If I revoke his bond, what's it at now? 100? What's his last name again?
Sal, sorry, Your Honor.
$5,001.
So
5,001. Show me the breakdown, but I mean, if there's a significant period of time where he hasn't blown, then he's going in.
okay. Here's the number of times. Sorry. Go from the last go.
So from 4 in the morning until 1 o'clock in the afternoon, there's no blow. That's a 13-hour window, give or take, you know?
I understand.
Yeah, I mean, it's,
And I also have this time card that you said. And then at all times, it's negative. So what he was asking me just now is where he believes he did nothing wrong. He's arguing that he didn't tamper with it. That's right. He has it on right now. He's trying to figure out so that this is not an issue. What can we do? Because
how would I mean, how would I, all I know is that the device lost touch with the skin for nearly a day. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to sit on your skin so snug that nothing can get in there. Not a piece of paper, not a napkin, not a coast, nothing. But if it loses contact with your skin, there's a reason. It doesn't happen. Just,
I understand the court's position. I've seen issues with it.
I have seen issues with it too. I'm not saying it's infallible, but if it loses contact with your skin for nearly an entire day, there's a reason, right? If you know that there's a problem with the machine, it's on you to go to the place, alert someone, not come back nearly a month later. And the only reason, because we drag him in here to let him know, oh, by the way, it's been gone for a day.
And we didn't know about it. until today.
Dubious.
We didn't know until today. I don't know if it gives an alert. If there's some issue, clearly it didn't detect anything other than it couldn't contact the skin. So I have
Yeah.
no indication that he affected it at all.
Because it's not with contact with his skin.
I understand, but he's also at work, which is what I provided.
I don't know that.
I provided that to the court here. And it's easily verifiable by one supervision officer to confirm with the employer he was at work. And if I'm being lied to, I'm being lied to, but that's it. I don't know what else.
But I don't, we don't work on hunches, whether it's probable cause, whether it's bond conditions, whether it's bond violation. We don't work on hunches. We don't work on, okay, well, maybe it's this, maybe it's that. No. The fact is that it lost contact with the skin for an entire day. It's not supposed to.
There's no.
You know,
proof beyond- before you sort of-
It's not a beyond a reasonable doubt standard anyways.
Then what is the hunch? It seems like a hunch.
The hunch is that there's 12 hours unaccounted for that we don't know what happened with him. He could have 3 beers. We would never even know about it.
I understand the court's position.
I'm not asking, I just don't want you to use. That's all I want. I've put on,
Every device there is-
in 2.5 years, we have 3 DWIs.
Those are going to be done shortly, Your Honor. And this will not be an issue anymore for the court to consider. I'm addressing that. The court does not have the information on what was alleged with those prior DWIs, but ultimately the state dismissed those. He was not convicted of those. I understand.
I get it, but I just don't want him to drink. And I put the device on his ankle so that I know that it doesn't happen. I've got a day that it goes unaccounted for. It's unacceptable. It can't be like that, And if I don't, then I'm telling him it's okay. I'm telling you, look, it's okay for you to have bond violation because nothing's going to happen to you.
So Juan said, is it
5,001.
Okay, all right, thank you, Your Honor.
Counsel.
Good morning, Judge.
Hey.
I'm here on a case, gentleman in custody, but not here in Harris County. Last name Grogan, first name
Just last name.
Grogan.
Is it, you say he's in jail?
He is in jail in Jefferson County, though.
Okay,
We were here last week and he asked me to reset the week, see what his family is gonna do.
right.
They're not gonna be able to bond him out there. He's only $15,000.
Okay, just verify it. And then do you know when the next setting is over there?
I do not yet. They have a very old website that I got paid for to get access
To
to.
pay for it just to see what's going on?
No, just to pull it.
Just,
So, I don't know.
can you verify that he's still in custody? And then I guess we'll give you 30 days or something and just, tell them to keep us in the loop. If we hear that he's out, then,
Sounds good.
yeah, okay.
Appreciate it. Would you like that for a bond forfeiture setting or just a regular setting?
Yeah, I guess SFBF so that we know he's got to be here for the next setting.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
For sure. Maria,
Judge Baker,
hey,
Judge, I'm approaching on Nicholas.
is that the last name?
Last name, Todd.
That's the last one.
Okay,
And Mr. Nicholas was here present in court earlier this morning, Judge, and when I got here, he had already left. And I reached him on the phone and he said that he got a call from his wife that his son was in school, but he had an emergency and she couldn't go pick him up. And so he went.
I mean,
But he was here.
the harassment and, hey, tell me who's the complaining witness in the harassment?
The complaining witness in the harassment judge is. I have a name, I'm trying to find the connection in relation to it.
So let's do this. We'll SFBF tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
He's got to be here tomorrow. If he fails to appear, it gets revoked.
Yeah.
Okay? And then in the interim, can you figure out who the complaining witnesses are to see if this is one of the complaining witnesses?
I don't believe there's, them say that the complaining witness is someone that rents the house from the defendant. Like,
Okay.
he's a.
Either, because we have a terroristic threat, now we have a harassment, or either of the complaining witnesses. And then I'll give you, let's find out for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Maria. Lavage,
Yes, Your Honor. Good
Hey, bud.
morning.
just the last name of your client, please.
Cox, COX.
Okay, so what do you guys want to do with this?
Well, I know it's an old case, Your Honor.
Yeah.
I'd like to either reset it so I can come back in person, or I can roll it to Thursday. I'll be in your court anyway on another matter.
Is discovery complete?
Is that Mr. Cox, that I'm on?
No, he's,
He's in court, Your Honor.
what the hell's going on? Just sit down. I don't have you on it, Mr. D.
Yes, Judge, sorry. Discovery is complete.
Okay, the case is 2 years old, man. I'll give you till Thursday, I guess. Do you have offers on the case?
Yeah, Judge, I'll get that.
Please. They're gonna put offers on the case, Brian.
Yes, Your Honor.
I guess I'll give you till Monday.
I can be there. I'm gonna be there Thursday anyway. I can talk to the state, so that's fine with me.
Is that enough time for you?
Yes, Your Honor. I'll take a look at everything and no problem.
All right, we'll put you on for the Thursday then.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll see you on the 26th.
Okay, buddy.
Is my client waived appearance, or he needs to be there Thursday?
Well, no, so we got to figure out what you guys want to do. If he's gonna accept the offer, then he needs to be here. If
Okay,
you guys can set it for trial, then we'll set it. But Mr. Cox, come up.
I think this might have been. I'm not even sure he had. I don't know if he's even been to court on this. This might have been a 2B, Your Honor.
No,
It's not. He's been to court on it.
Yeah, there was an attorney of record filed in. Yeah, looks like it was a 2B.
Okay,
Just signed on in December. So if you want to just normal setting, we'll give you a normal setting, Brian.
okay. I can email your coordinator, or
No,
April.
hang tight. I'll get you a date. Hang tight.
Is April 22nd okay?
Let me check with the boss. Hey, I brought some snacks. Do you want some snacks? Looking at- Hey, can I get a date for top of page 6, please?
Yes, Judge, you have 30 days to do your trial.
It's okay. It was a 2B. I didn't realize it was a 2B. So just a normal setting.
Oh, okay.
He's been on it since December, so.
May 12th through the 14th.
Do you want May or do you still want April?
Is April 22nd okay? Because that'd be a good day for me.
Yeah, it's good. It's yours.
All right. We'll see you on April
Okay.
22nd, or I'll see you Thursday.
It'll be waived for that setting.
He'll be waived. Okay. Chris, you hear that?
Don't pick up any new cases, man. All right, come on.
Thank you, Judge.
You got it. Hey, hi.
We're approaching the house today.
Okay,
And, I think we're gonna have to get a trial date on that, but the prosecutor has made a tentative offer, that is depending on the felony case.
that's gonna take another 2 years to,
Well, that's why she's gonna, and she.
The arcade- let me
so
see.
The offer she made on the felony is, well, I'll let you see it.
The current offer on the felony is a 2-year deferred. If she takes it, we have an offer on top 2 cases.
I get it. Ours are 260 days old. I can't sit here and wait and wait and
And so
wait.
I made a counter offer that if she doesn't plead on the felony, would she still honor the offer on this case? And she's, I guess, gonna just think about that.
Say that again?
I'm gonna take a look at the 2 cases right now just to see what we could do if she doesn't take.
But I'm saying we should just get a trial date, right?
I'm with you,
And
but
then-
we'll set it for right after the felony,
Okay,
okay? But if she doesn't go, then she got to be done here. I mean,
Okay.
it's 260 days. I'm not gonna just wish, hope and pray. What if they reset it over there? If they reset it, then we got to just, I can't.
I understand. All right, thank
I
you.
mean, I can't reward you for picking up a felony to give you just more time and more time and more time. It's too,
Yes, sir.
so give me the date that you want.
Okay, so you said,
So she's set for 4/29. So the first date would be 5/5.
okay, that's fine.
You want to do that? Okay.
And I'll take a look. At the cases.
Okay.
All
All right, thanks.
And then, good luck.
Thank you.
You need, hey, just some snacks. No, not candy. You can't have candy. I didn't, that's candy. No. Barbados. Finish. Finish. Let's go watch it. Come on. Here, let me pause it.
Now, before we start.
Let's go watch it.
Now, before we start.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I have to put marker on docket, it was a fugitive, wanted to set for today, he's actually rolled over to today, because we just needed to sign an entry waiver, he's still got local, but he wasn't brought out today, so I don't know what kind of measure for him, so I just want to make sure that, since we all came over to tomorrow, that he's brought out.
So is this the second or third time that it failed to appear?
I believe this is second, but it could be.
Because I can always, what we can always do is if for some reason tomorrow there's a no-show, I can reach out to the court manager's office
Okay.
and then we can have him either Zoom to the jail.
And it's not too pressing or matter, because like I said, he still has the locals. But if he's not gonna be brought out here, I can take the extradition form.
No, don't be silly. We can get him.
Yeah.
There's one way. What was the last name again? Parker.
Last name is Parker, he's on documents.
Oh, man. Yo. Wow, he's got $1 million bond. Holy moly. So let's do this. Let's try tomorrow. If for some reason he doesn't make it up tomorrow, I'll reach out to the court manager's office and then we'll rope them in and we'll make it happen.
He's rolled over to tomorrow anyway, so if he just
Okay.
doesn't fucking get brought out.
Yeah, just keep me in the loop.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
Hey, anyone else?
Bottom of 28.
I called the name, no one came up.
Oh, okay. Top of 33.
Whitehead? Good morning, ma'am. Do you have a lawyer today?
I've been paying one of my dubious fees.
Okay, well, no. I don't need to know about all that. Just whether you want to hire a lawyer? Do you want to? Okay, we'll give you more time, ma'am, please.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
May I approach you?
Please.
Your Honor, I am here on Mr. Joseph Nolasco.
Just last name. Nolasco.
Nolasco. Nolasco. I received information that my client had allegedly skipped 10 tests. Your Honor.
You're free to go.
Come up, Mr. Nolasco.
Counsel for reset.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Certainly is not.
I know you're on. I know.
Stop. The problem is that we bend over backwards not to put you in custody, really. And you're now on your second bond violation report. What are we supposed to do? I don't know what else to tell you, but you're not taking us seriously. You don't. Just, all right. Goes with you. I'm sorry. Just talk to your lawyer, but it's your second bond violation. Stop. Just talk with your lawyer. It's just, it continues to happen.
Judge, page 34 was the last page that I think.
Okay. $10,002. Yeah.
Is there anybody who walk in college? Yes.
Victoria, what was the last one again?
34.
Wilson, come up. Do you have a lawyer today? Okay, we'll give you more time, but stop. Nope. We'll give you more time, but your case is getting old. The next time, you understand? All right, come on.
Yeah, I was right, 10,000 on the break.
Go ahead and sign for your visa.
So they gonna bring you back.
All right, there you go. You're free to go.
Thanks to you.
In custody, he's here. For custody, so have you gotten? I would just love it. That was a mistake. I'm seriously. We need to pass it. Well, I think that's. So that's how you're done. It's not the name of both. Yeah. I don't know if I think I was thinking she just. This one is the version.
Hey, Mr. D.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
What's up? Yes, of course.
Yes, sir, I'm Mr. T-O-T-E-L, Judge.
Okay,
He's currently charged with assault in your court. I received information that he had picked up a felony assault.
oh, is he here?
He was supposed to have been here because I told him to come here, but he's not here, Judge.
5001.
Thank you,
Please.
Judge.
Thank you. Did you want to stay on, Mr. D, or did you
Yes,
want to
sir.
withdraw? Stay on? Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Hey, did Lori's client show up? No.
No, and she said, she's like, and she's aware of the PPR.
And just that if you showed up to call it.
Okay. Hey, Mr. Weeks.
Yeah.
What's up, buddy?
You are approaching Jaden Townsend.
Townsend. Okay. What's the word? Thunderbird?
The state is proposing bond $1,000.
You okay with that?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, done.
Thank you, Judge.
I have to admonish though,
Understood.
but so we need to brought out, please. Townsend.
And I'm gonna bring the form back up. She never signed a waiver.
Okay.
So, yeah, she doesn't have to worry about it. Just.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So you are wanted out of Curry, New Mexico
Yes, sir.
for embezzlement,
Yes, sir.
$500 to $2,500. Your lawyer is asking for, and I'm granting you a bond of $500. But I want you to understand that this is no joke. You will be expected to go turn yourself in. I don't care what you have to do. I don't care where you got to go. I don't care if aliens try to abduct you. If you fail to do it, I will revoke your bond. I will set it at 0, and I'm not going to give you another one. Do you understand? If you fail to go, then I will issue a nationwide warrant. You can't run forever. I will get you, and this time I will physically hold you here until New Mexico comes and gets you.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I need to know like this morning already,
Well,
but I'm taking
Look,
care of
you
it.
don't have to justify anything. You're old enough to know that
Yes.
actions have consequences.
Got you.
We give you 2 weeks from the date of your release
Okay,
to go turn yourself in.
I'll do it tomorrow.
The only other thing I was going to tell you is do not wait until the last second, because I don't care if you get a flat tire or whatnot. If you don't do it by the date,
Yes,
bond
sir.
gets revoked.
Yes, sir.
Okay, give any questions?
No, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
all right, guys.
Appreciate it.
Good luck, for sure. Please.
Was that a PR or should we? Was it a PR?
No, there, she has to make the bond. Right, yeah, thanks. So, Mr. Weeks, 500?
Yeah, Judge.
I'm so tired.
Oh, they talk so much though, like I can't. Anyways, hey, so did you hear that?
I didn't hear it.
That were $500 on the council, please. Okay, Sam, do you have a? I'm, got it, okay. Veronica, the device lost contact with the skin for, was it 23 hours?
No, he's 13 hours. I actually recorded the little sneezes, but.
The contact with the scram device lost 13 hours? Got it.
And,
Okay.
and he is not.
Say it again?
He's not in two of the photos. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Counsel, it's gonna take a few minutes for us to get our queue, so we have to.
Hey, Anna, did you get my email on Taylor? So your client Taylor just has a BVR.
Okay.
I was going to pump for Thursday, if that's okay with you. Okay, please.
Okay.
Thanks. Yes, ma'am.
Judge,
Did you,
is I think it's back to me of the day while I was immigration officer. He's gonna be on his phone.
oh, okay, got it. Isn't it usually in all the paperwork? Or did they add it? That's weird, right? Huh, okay. Veronica, did Mr. Smith know that he was out of the two of the pictures? He knew? Did you tell the lawyer that? No? Okay, I'll tell him next time we see him. So please.
I have Flores on the docket.
Okay.
Flores family. He's in custody, he's in a wheelchair, I'm not sure if we meet them right now. Ms. Victoria said I need to approach him, just so you know where we're at in the case.
You said Torres
Flores.
with an S?
F.
Oh, Flores.
Yes, there's a motion, yeah. He also has a pending felony. The last time he was here, we did the TRS. But we know we have to resolve the felony.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Before something truly just devastating happens. Do we have any headway on the felony case? Do you know?
I let the attorney know where we're at. He said that he's just confident state's gonna offer the probation. The felony, I'm not sure exactly if there's more of an update besides that. But I'll let him know afterwards that we're just waiting on the felony.
I'm certainly okay with that, but I think that we really need to delve into the issues as far as why. I mean, I think that that's a good, but.
His felony is next up for the 31st.
Oh, you want to say for the day after?
You can do that.
Okay.
I'm not into, but I don't want him to be held in custody any longer than we did, so.
Okay, do it. Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay. thank you.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Oh, we're adding, she has to do the 31st. Okay. And then you, thanks. I also don't think on the docket. And whenever she's done with her fingerprints on such, please give me Jacob.
Say, huh?
Jacob.
Check.
Yep.
Yeah. Good morning, Ms. Check. Ma'am, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. Actually, you're also charged with failure to identify oneself as a fugitive from justice. On that one, you're facing a year. The agreement that you have worked out is 30 days in jail with credit for the 21 that you have done on the theft case. And it looks like they're going to dismiss your other cases, part of the plea bargain. This theft will go on your record. It will be there forever. You need to understand that. So it appears, I don't know if you have any other thefts from anywhere else, but this is an enhanceable offense, meaning that if you continue to pick theft cases up At some point, they're gonna hit you with a felony because they can use it to enhance it, and then you're looking at years instead of days. Do you understand?
Yes.
So it looks like there's two failure to IDs, so both failure to IDs will be dismissed,
Yes,
right? Okay. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, it goes on your record. It'll stay there forever. Is this what you want to do?
Yeah.
How do you plead to the offense, man? I'm going to find you guilty, send you to the 30, give you credit for the 21. And good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. What is that? Monster, is that monster trucks? Nice.
I'm just looking at like one here, it says. So.
Judge, bottom of six.
So you're saying she. Well, I know. So if you. I missed that.
Okay. Friggy, come on up. Hey, guys, can I borrow you a second? All right, Mr. Frugi, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail. And or a $2,000 fine. You have repeatedly missed court. Your bond is now at 5,002. If you miss court again, it will triple, quadruple, if not quintuple. And all you're doing is you're giving free money to bonding companies. Do you understand? Where is this allegedly from, Sean?
This is from a Walmart.
Okay, you were not allowed back. It is a bond condition of yours that you're not allowed to go back to Walmart. You understand? Okay, how old are you, sir? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? You want a court-appointed lawyer? Okay. How are you supporting yourself? What do you do with yourself these days? I plan on getting hair one day. It's probably not going to happen. What's that? Okay, wrong. That needs to change. You need to do something with your life. You're 19. Did you graduate from high school? Great. What are you going to do for the rest of your life? What have you done to further that goal? It's time for you to start doing something. You need to start doing something worthwhile. So it's time for you to get a job. And I want you to start doing that. You don't get to sit and play Xbox all day. Do you understand? So I'm bringing you back in 2 weeks and I want to see what you have done to do that. You understand? All right. Can you follow this condition?
Yes, sir.
Financial affidavit?
Please.
Okay. Right, this one. This is all that, right? It shows that there's no supposed to be what I think
Sorry about that. Shh. Okay, you're Mr. Anastasio. Sir, you're charged with failure to identify oneself as a fugitive from justice. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 60 days in jail. You know how much credit you have? You have 20 days credit. Is this how you understand the agreement? This charge will go on your record. It will be there forever. You understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this, it's like this forever. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Okay, what is? Is that monster truck?
Right. Judge, bottom of 26 is a BDR, but nobody's really had.
Is this person here?
Yes, Judge, in the box.